Crews are hard at work patching, milling, and overlaying US 190 from LA 113 to the Calcasieu River Bridge in Allen Parish. The $5.26 million project began in mid-July and stretches nearly 8 miles. The roadway is made up of composite pavement, which is asphalt over existing concrete. The repairs are needed because temperature changes over time cause concrete to expand and contract, eventually forming cracks and buckles in the roadway. The last overlay was done in 2007. An average of 2,100 vehicles travel this stretch of US 190 every day. More than 25% of the project is complete. Work is anticipated to wrap up in early 2024, weather permitting.